This is Module 8, Summary in the Foundations of Programming with Python video series. In this module, we started exploring object-oriented programming. We created classes to define objects, wrote methods, and created attributes for objects. We instantiated objects from classes, restricted access to an object's attributes. We continued using Spyder as our IDE. At this point, you should be able to answer the following questions from memory. For the ones you can't, please review the subject. What is the difference between a class and the objects made from a class? What are the components that make up the standard pattern of a class? What is the purpose of a class constructor? When do you use the keyword self? When do you use the keyword add static method? How are fields and attributes and property functions related? What is the difference between a property and a method? Why do you include a docstring in a class? When you can answer all of these from memory, it's time to complete the assignment and move on to the next module.